Is ARPA-E the next DARPA? First, a little background information on both agencies. DARPA, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, was started in 1958 in response to the launch of Sputnik. It has spun out many technologies over the years. Most notably for the public are the Internet and GPS. ARPA-E, the Advanced Research Projects Agency for the Department of Energy, was just established to develop high-risk, high-reward technologies specifically related to next-generation energy technologies. The history of ARPA-E. In 2006, the National Academies published a report entitled Rising Above the Gathering Storm. It recommended the creation of a DARPA-like agency to address America's dwindling leadership role in sustainability and energy-related fields. In 2007, the America Competes Act was signed into law. It established ARPA-E within the Department of Energy. However, no money was budgeted toward the new agency. On April 27, 2009, the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act devoted $400 million for ARPA-E. ARPA-E funding so far. On the same day that it was awarded $400 million, ARPA-E put out its first funding opportunity announcement, or FOA. FOA 1 was open to any technology type. They expected about 1,000 submissions, received 3,700, and of those 3,700, 37 were chosen that October. They were awarded a combined $151 million. FOA 2, which was announced in January, was specifically for batteries for transportation, materials for carbon capture and sequestration, and electrofuel technologies. They expect to take 10 to 15 projects per technology area with a combined $100 million in total funding. FOA 3, which was announced March 2nd, devotes $100 million toward the three technology areas of grid-scale storage, building efficiency, and power transmission technologies. Examples of sponsored technologies from FOA 1 include Flow Design's mixed ejector wind turbine, which is capable of delivering significantly more energy per unit swept area with greatly reduced rotor loading as compared to horizontal wind axis turbines. And Michigan State's radial flow wave disk engine, which is 5 times more efficient than traditional auto engines in electricity production, 20% lighter, and 30% cheaper to manufacture. This novel ultra-high efficiency engine could replace current backup generator technology of hybrid and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. So, comparing ARPA-E funding to DARPA, the Department of Energy's total budget is $28.4 billion. $299 million of which is requested for ARPA-E. In comparison, the Department of Defense 2011 proposed budget is $550 billion. Over $76 billion for various R&D, $3 billion specifically for DARPA alone. So, is ARPA-E the next DARPA? Well, current funding levels are extremely disproportionate. However, unlike DARPA, the technologies being developed are specifically for public commercialization. Therefore, less funding is needed to get them to the point where venture capital funds and other investors can take over the funding. Also, ARPA-E is less than a year old. It's not a household name yet. Personnel are still being hired into the agency, and most of the funding technologies are still 10 to 15 years from being fully commercialized. Therefore, only time will tell if ARPA-E is a success or not, but it will definitely not be a success if it is canceled within the next year or two.
Feel free to come back to our website, weberenergygroup.com, for more updates on all the students' research, our latest publications, and the things we're up to these days.